Welcome viewers. In our lesson, we are going to discuss on how to find the logarithm of a number by using the logarithms of other numbers. Like in this question, we are given the log of 2, we are given the log of 3, we are given the log of 5. So we can use the logs of these three numbers to find the log of 1800. And this is how we are going to start. So to get the log of this number, that is 1800, we are going to express it in terms of 2, 3, and 5. And to get to express it in terms of 2, 3, 5, we are going to get the factors by using this method. And of the numbers given, we have 2, 3, 5. We are going to start with the smallest number, and that smallest number is 2. So we divide by 2. 2 goes to 1800, 900 times. And then 2 can again divide this as 450. 2 can divide 450 as 225. 3 can divide this one as 75. Then 3 can divide this one as 25. Then 25, we have 5. So by using these factors, we can now write 1800 in terms of these numbers. Like this, log 1800 can be written in terms of 2, 3, 5 as log 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times, so it is 2 power 3. We have 3 times 3, which is 3 power 2. Then we have 5 power 2, 5 times 5, which is 5 power 2. So we have expressed 1800 in terms of 2, 3, and 5. So from the laws of logarithms, we know that because the numbers are multiplied, their logs will be added and their powers will become the coefficients. So for example, this one is log 2 to power 3 plus log 3 to power 2 plus log 5 to power 2. So I've said that the powers of these numbers will become the coefficients. Like now this one becomes 3 log 2. This power becomes the coefficient of this log, plus log 3 to power 2. 2 becomes the coefficient, so it is 2 log 3, plus we have log 5 to the power of 2. So 2 becomes the coefficient, so it is 2 log 5. So after writing like this, we know the log of 2, the log of 3, and we also know the log of 5. So we are going to substitute for log 2, we substitute for log 3, we substitute for log 5. So this one is 3 multiplied by the log of 2. This is log of 2. The log of 2 is given here. It is 0.3010 plus 2 multiplied by the log of 3. The log of 3 is given here as 0.4771 plus we have 2 times the log of 5. That is 2 into the log of 5 is given as 0.6990. Then from there, before we are going to multiply, we are going to remove the brackets or we are going to expand. This one multiplied by 3, we are going to get 0.9030 plus this one will be 24590. This one times 2 will be 0, 8, 9, 12 plus 1 is 13. We carry 1, so we have 1. So from there, we are going to add the 3 logs, the 3 numbers. By adding the 3 numbers, we are going to come up with a log of 1800. So we are going to use the FATCO method when we are adding 0.9542, 1.3980. So we had the 3 numbers, and that is what will give us the log of 1800. So 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So you write 5, you carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. So you write 15, you carry 1. So this one will be 10. 10 plus 90 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. So you carry 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this one is the log of 1800. The log of 1800 equals to 3.552. So this is the log of 800, and we were able to come up with this log by using the logs of the three numbers 2, 3, 5. Without using a calculator, without using a mathematical table, we are able to come up with that log. So that's the method. That's how we do it. When you are given those numbers, when you are dividing, always start with the smallest number given. So as you divide, the other numbers will just appear. Like when we started with the 2, we divided up to a point where 2 cannot divide anymore. So we had to move to the next number, and you see 3 appears. Then going on, we reached a point where we have 25. 3 cannot divide 25, so we saw 5 appearing there. So that's why we were able to express 1800 in terms of 2, 3, 5.